In other news, experts have called on the federal government to initiate plans that will ensure the smooth implementation of the Supreme Court judgment on the local government autonomy. Olaide Oyewole has more.
A few months ago, the Supreme Court granted financial autonomy to the 774 local governments in Nigeria.
It's an affront on the Constitution.
While Nigerians still await the full implementation of this policy, experts comprising legal practitioners, scholars and other stakeholders are gathered here to discuss and reflect on the verdict at this seminar.
The general agreement is that
Director General of the Nigerian Institute of Social and Economic Research commended the verdict for dismantling the long-standing financial structure that gave the state governors absolute control over local governments. But she believes the government must put in place actionable plans to make this policy a success.
include development of actionable plans to drive effective implementation of the Supreme Court ruling, as well as to identify potential opportunities and challenges in the transition to financial and administrative autonomy for local governments.
The keynote speaker, renowned lawyer Niyi Akintola, believes that while the policy has the potential to drive national growth, constitutional amendments are necessary to prevent it from being merely a symbolic judgment.
And today's paper capture vividly our past over the issue. It didn't start today. And perhaps if the issue that arose between 1988 and 1999, they are brought about zero allocation to local governments, perhaps the judgment will have addressed that. It is very pragmatic, very good judgment. But those areas it left out are the areas that the present government is trying to cover by setting up a committee to address it. And we do hope that committee will come up with something pragmatic.
Organizers of this seminar believe that the success of this policy will depend on the ability of local government to mobilize resources, manage finances efficiently, and provide essential services to their communities. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.